Hey, I'm Brian Phillips with Poly HP, and we're showing off here at ISE 2023 our latest Microsoft Teams Rooms on Windows solutions that's matching up the best of HP and Poly together to deliver a better Teams meeting room experience. So this is using this HP conferencing PC at the core. So it is really custom designed around delivering a fantastic Microsoft Teams experience, very powerful 12th generation i7 compute, so it can handle all of the Teams on Windows functionality today and a whole lot more in the future as those new capabilities are developed. Now we've matched this up with various different Poly audio and video experiences depending on what you need in your room. So you can buy a small room kit for more of your huddle rooms, 3 to 4 people, go up to our mid-size room kit or a large room kit with this very advanced Studio E70 camera with a Sync 60 for your audio, right? You can just scale up the experience based on what you need in your particular room. But with Poly and HP together delivering a best-in-class experience, it means you're going to get the best Teams room on Windows experience in your room, matching up this next generation compute along with the Poly peripherals, really delivering the audio and video in that space. So to learn more about this solution, visit us at poly.com.